Guys, it's Dustin here with FasterFunds Lending. We are at another Faster House Buyers Club, the local RIA that Faster House has here. We are standing here with one of our approved borrowers that borrows from FasterFunds to do his projects. And I just want to talk to John about your last deal that you did. So John, tell us, I know it was a fix and flip, so tell us, where did you find that deal? How are you finding your deals?
Well, it actually was from new wholesalers that had joined the Faster Freedom group.
Awesome.
The coaching class.
Awesome.
And they came to the group first with it, and
Perfect.
I saw it and recognized it to be a gem.
Awesome. So that you're talking about our local mastermind that we have here. So again, it's always good to be surrounded by other investors, talk to the wholesalers to find out what you're looking for. So that's fantastic. So tell us about the deal. What was the purchase price on it?
So the purchase price was $75,000.
Awesome.
It was for a 1,660 square foot house.
It's a big house.
It was built in 1962 and had one owner.
Wow. So grandma clean, right?
It was grandma clean. It was
Love it.
better than clean. Of course, it looked like grandma's also.
Yes. All right. So you purchased it for $75,000, correct?
Right.
All right. So how much was the fix then? The actually money that you put into it to fix it?
I borrowed as a part of Faster Funds.
Yep.
I borrowed an additional $37,500, of which I used just under $35,000 of that to fix it up.
All right. So let's recap that. You bought it for $75,000. You put $35,000 into it. So I think you just alluded to the fact. So you actually borrowed all of that from Faster Funds, the purchase and the rehab, correct?
I did.
Awesome. So fantastic. So then what did the property actually, do you have it under contract or did it already sell?
I put it under contract. I got 7 offers on it.
Okay.
And it has not closed yet.
Okay.
It's closing in the end of the month.
Okay, fantastic. So 7 offers.
7 offers on it.
Right. So I don't have to know because there might be people watching, but what was the asking price on it?
$159,900.
$159,900. You bought it for $75,000. You put $35,000 into it.
Right.
Sounds like a pretty good deal.
It turned out to be an excellent deal.
Awesome, I love those. So let's talk about the lending process. So you, again, we talked about that you borrowed the purchase price and the rehab price. So really you did this fix and flip with no money out of your pocket?
Correct.
That's fantastic. So tell the people out there, how was the experience working with Faster Funds?
Faster Funds, it wasn't a new experience because you do go through a dispersing company
Yep.
in getting the funds,
Yep.
which I've been doing for 25 years. I've been doing that on new builds
Yep.
for 25 years.
Awesome.
That's my background. I just moved into this area. I've done some fixes for other people.
Sure.
I haven't actually really done one for myself completely like this.
Okay, awesome. So we have some experience with it. Seemed to work out pretty well for you.
It did real well.
So we're gonna do some more business. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Awesome, that's what I like to hear, guys. Guys, again, this is from the stance of a fix and flipper. So we specialize in short-term loans for either landlords that are using the BRRRR process, where they're buying, rehabbing, renting, refining, and repeats, or fix and flippers that are gonna kind of manage the project themselves a little bit. If you wanna find out more, just go to our website at www.fasterfundslending.com, and we'll see you next month. Thanks a lot.